The question is, why is sulphuric acid not used during the reaction of alcohols with potassium iodide? When alcohols react with potassium iodide, in this reaction sulphuric acid is not used. Why it is so? Okay, let me write this reaction. Let's say we have ethyl alcohol CH3, it is CH2 and it is OH is there reacting with potassium iodide, and we do not use H2SO4. Why it is so? Okay, now pay attention very carefully. We have H2SO4. If you calculate the oxidation number of the central element, 4 to 8, hydrogen is what? Plus 2. In this case we get plus 6. 2 hydrogen are there. Sulfur is present in its highest oxidation number, means it will always undergo reduction reaction, hence it will be always acting as strongest oxidizing agent. Sulfuric acid is a very powerful oxidizing agent. Very powerful oxidizing agent is there. Okay. Then when sulfuric acid is coming in contact with potassium iodide, it will start oxidizing. How the oxidation reaction takes place? We have H2SO4 is there. H2SO4 we have Ki is there. Pay attention very carefully. It is a very strong acid. Apart from being strongest oxidizing agent, it is also very strong acid. Okay. This is a diprotic acid. It can liberate 2 protons. I consider only 1 proton in the first stage. We get HSO4 minus is there. From here also you can break. This is positive. It is negative is there. Okay. We have Hi, H plus I minus, and this is what K plus HSO4 minus. So we get Hi is there, and then we get KHSO4 minus is there. Keep in mind, in any chemical reaction in which strong acid is there, even it has reacted or participated in the reaction, its presence will always be there even at the end of the reaction. Even if the reaction is completed, but still the presence of strong acid or strong base will be there. You can see H2SO4 has participated in this reaction, but still its presence will be there in the reaction. Hence, this H2SO4 will start again reacting with hydrogen iodide. So in this case, what happens exactly? We have a H2SO4 and then Hi is there. From here we can get I minus is there, I minus. Okay, this is a strong oxidizing agent. Then it will oxidize I minus into I2, and then it will undergo reduction reaction, convert into SO2. Okay, so in reduction reaction, decrease in oxidation number, you can see it is present in plus 6, it is present in plus 4. You can see sulfur is undergoing reduction reaction. In case of I minus is there, this side it is 0 is there, you can see increase in oxidation number is what? Oxidation. Okay, so this is the problem actually. When a potassium iodide is reacting with alcohols in the presence of H2SO4, H2SO4 starts reacting with potassium iodide. Okay, H2SO4 starts reacting with potassium iodide. This is the problem actually. This H2SO4 starts reacting with potassium iodide, and whatever the iodine is there, it converts into I2. So reaction does not take place. OH is not displaced by I. Alkyl iodide is not produced. Okay, this portion has converted into I2 because it is being, this I minus, if you break it from here, this I minus is being oxidized by the strongest oxidizing agent into I2. So that's why I minus is not available to react with alcohol. Okay, before this potassium iodide reacts with alcohol, it starts reacting with H2SO4 because it is more reactive, strongest oxidizing agent. Strong acid also. So this is the reason, instead of using strongest oxidizing agent, we use mild oxidizing agent, such as, let's say we have, this is what H3 and PO4 is there. Mild oxidizing agent. And we have learned, as the oxidation number of the central element increases, their oxidizing power also increases. So now you can see in case of sulfur, sulfur is present in plus 6 oxidation number. In case of H3PO4, phosphorus is present in plus 5 oxidation number. If you compare sulfur having plus 6 oxidation number, in this case phosphorus having plus 5 oxidation number, since it has a lower value of oxidation number, hence it is a weaker oxidizing agent in comparison to H2SO4 because there is a difference in oxidation number. Okay, so as the oxidation number of the central element in a compound increases, its oxidizing character also increases. Okay, so instead of using strongest oxidizing agent, we use mild oxidizing agent to carry out this chemical reaction for the formation of alkyl iodide. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.